Dip me underway. Feel my foot hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're doing another wig install today, and this time it's another Unice wig. So Unice did send me another wig, and it is this curly brown unit. I'll give you guys the specific details. And to specify, this is the Unice store on Amazon, so it's Amazon's, well, Unice is Amazon's storefront. So this is what the wig looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but okay, it's the Unice Ombre Brown Highlight Jerry Curl 13x4 lace front wig. So it is a frontal wig. It's 180 density and it is 18 inches. So this is the length, 18 inches. It's shorter than I usually do, but this is a cute length. Like, it's a cute medium length. I'm not mad at it. It's really cute. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be installing this. Before we get into the video, I'm of course gonna show you guys like the box, the unboxing and things like that. So this is the box. It will come in similar to the other box I had from Unice. And of course, as always, we have some goodies. So first, we just have another elastic band. This one is cheetah print. That is very, very cute. We have a cute little pink bonnet. And then we have a pair of lashes. And these look really cute. I'm definitely gonna put these on. And this was in here. I assume this is like mascara. I lied. It's a little brush. I said mascara? No, girl. It's this little brush. That's cute. So yeah. And of course the wig was in here. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to be installing the wig. But just before we get into it, I did start off with a cap. Makeup that matches my skin on the cap. I did not bleach the knots on this wig, but I did pluck it, and I did add some tint spray. So I just used this Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray to tint the lace. I did not bleach it at all, just plucked it and installed it. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Before even continuing on to watch the install, give this video a like, comment when you're done, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also click the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get into it.
Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my